Hey, how's it going folks? Easy here with another iMovie tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to look at iMovie special effects or filters, and also more importantly, using more than one. So we have a video in our timeline here. We're going to select on that by just clicking on it. And we're going to go up to the top menu here where you see these three circles, kind of overlapping circles. We're going to go to Clip Filter, and we're just going to pick a single filter, so X-ray. Okay, now our video has that X-ray filter on it, and you can only add one at a time, but the way to get around this, as usual with iMovie, is to just go ahead and export it here at the top right corner. Just export file, and we'll name this X-ray 1. And for the settings, we'll just do the top, so 1080p 60, quality is high is good enough. Compression, I like always using better quality. Hit next. And we'll go ahead and save it to the desktop here. And then give it a couple minutes for the actual video to finish processing. And now we have our video that is actually an X-ray video. So now we have our clip with one filter on it. So let's go ahead and add another one to it. We'll go to our filters up here. I don't know. I guess we'll pick silent error. Okay, so now we have a video that has the original X-ray filter and the silent error filter on top. So if you wanted to add one more filter to it, again, you do an export here. And we'll do an export, and we'll keep doing this. We'll just call this 22. And we'll go ahead and import 2222. And let's go ahead and throw one more filter on it just for giggles. And we'll do a comic. No, we'll do this one. Okay, and now we have a video with 3 filters on it. So using your imagination and your creativity, you can kind of see how you might want more than just this one filter here that they give us. So you can think about the combinations that will work out pretty good for you. And also don't forget, once you put your filter on, go to our color correction, and then you can go ahead and mess around with the darkness, the lightness, the saturations, the temperatures, the colder, the hotter. So you can get some really cool looking video out of these filters here with a little bit of experimentation. Okay, I think that's it for today's tutorial. We'll talk to you next time. Peace. Aloha. Thank you.